Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a Lexus Ct200h headlight bulb. Turn off the car, disconnect the battery, and open the hood to access the headlight housing. Remove the dust cover, unplug the connector, and release the retaining clip carefully. Swap in the replacement bulb, reseat the connector, and secure the dust cover. Reconnect the battery and test the beam alignment before driving. Wear gloves to avoid oil. First, gather tools and safety gear, gloves, a replacement bulb, and a small screwdriver. Ensure the car is on level ground and the engine is cool before starting work. Keep a clean cloth to handle bulbs without touching the glass and take photos as you go. Label clips or parts with tape to remember positions. Working methodically saves time and prevents damage to wiring or trim during the job. Start by opening the hood and finding the headlight access panel behind the lamp. Remove the dust cap, unplug the connector, and release the retaining clip while supporting the bulb. Pull the old bulb straight out without twisting to avoid socket damage, then compare it to the new one to confirm type. Insert the new bulb until it seats fully, replace the dust cap, and test the light for proper operation. Adjust aiming if beam seems off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.